lollipops, and a 15-minute early dismissal on Friday, April 15th. Pick up a flyer at lunch or see Miss Robinson for more information.
This announcement is for any guy who's going to prom. Have you rented your tux for prom yet? Have you not even started yet? Well, the Aristocats are sponsoring a fundraiser that will certainly help you out. The Aristocats, with the help of Debbie Rice, will be offering tux rental for proms. They're at $95, which is about $50 cheaper than most area rental places. This tux rental will be including size for your tux, as well as matching vest, tie, or colors to go with your date's dress. There will be a table set up during lunch with more information. So let the Aristocats make it easy for you to look your best on prom night. Tally, do you like the Aristocats?
I think I've only seen a couple of their shows.
I like them. I think they should help you.
They should help.
They should help you. Yes.
Well, not me, because I'm not going to prom. But juniors and seniors, you can purchase your prom tickets in the library with Miss Holiday. Ticket prices are $35 for THS student and $50 for non-THS students.
If anyone is interested in signing up for the 5K and 1 mile walk/run on April 9th at the Fraser McEwen Park, sponsored by the CASA, you can pick up information in the main office. Now it's time for the senior announcements, Tally.
Due to an error on the last ballot for the category of the neatest female, senior students will be voting for that category again. Please go to the THS website, Facebook, or Twitter to vote for the neatest female. Voting will end at 3:15 today. Remember that only senior votes will count.
Seniors, please stop by the THS library this week to nominate the prom king and the queen. Voting will be in the library the next week.
If you are interested in attending the senior luncheon on May 18th, the $17 luncheon fee is due no later than April 29th.
Project graduation, Krispy Kreme ends April 7th. Pickup will be April 9th. Spring plant sale, April 4th through April 20th. Road walk and spring fling is April 9th. Car wash, April 30th, and the last day to register for project graduation is May 2nd. So, if you're doing project graduation, you better do it quick.
Well, I guess that's been the hype.
I'm John.
Tally. I'm Tally.
Have a great day, Tullahoma.